resources at the local level and then at the governor's level, supported by us, can take care of a lot of things simultaneously. And I think that was a good reinforcement. It's the first time I've ever known that the president's been briefed on hurricane season involving representatives from the Internal. Up until this point, Bill and I have done this several times together, and Bill was doing it before I got here. The hurricane season, that's one thing about hurricanes, a little bit different. They give us a little bit more warning. Not always 5 days, but they do give us more warning than we get oftentimes with the tornadoes and other things that can occur very quickly, such as earthquakes. Our federal partners, although we've had quite a bit of activity with the Corps of Engineers and Coast Guard and others dealing with river flooding, are still ready for this hurricane season.
Today we're having the Gulf Coast Hurricane Conference, and what it is basically is all the states of the Gulf Coast coming together to learn how we can better prepare for, respond, recover, and mitigate from a hurricane.
A new program that we've started, and we're going to refine it for hurricane season and all hazards, is that we took some of our more experienced parish directors from other parishes and deployed them to assist in places like Morgan City. We can deploy these what we call parish support teams to assist our parishes that don't have the manpower and may have not had a disaster in their parish for some time. So that's been a success.
We have to do this together. No one can do it alone. And we've seen from the tornadoes and the floods, it takes the whole community to come together in order to respond and to recover. So what this does here, it gives us a good baseline. We learn from each other. We learn what has worked in Louisiana, what's worked in Texas, what's worked in Florida. Bring all that together. And it's across the regions too, Region 4 and Region 6.
This conference gives us an opportunity to hear from speakers that have a tremendous amount of experience in natural disasters. And the lessons learned that they can give us there's nothing that can stand instead of that, because lessons learned is how you get better and how you move forward and how you provide better services to your clients in the future.